Hey everyone, so another car update. The aircon's fixed and I'll show you what happened. They did screw it up. In order for them to get to the evaporator, they had to pull out all the dash, disassemble all this, which was fine. You know, they reassembled everything back in its spot. Where they screwed up, and it's really bad I didn't take a photo of it, but like this plastic piece, there was a little crack in there. This part all had scratches on it. It was shonky work. Hopefully this shows on camera, but this bottom plastic and this plastic, they didn't clip in properly. There was a visible gap on both sides. Wasn't entirely happy with that. I dropped the car off literally the next day because I picked it up at night. I didn't notice it, and they've luckily fixed it all up without arguing, but still it should have been picked up when they did their inspection. So the aircon's all good, but I've had two other new problems and one reoccurring problem. So one of these new problems is the headlight. It's starting to just have like a foggy, cloudy color. Not sure whether that's going to get picked up or not. That's a bit strange. I mean, this one's fine, nice and clear, but that one started off in the corner and then it's just gone everywhere else pretty much. The other headlight was fine, but it's also starting to appear on there. So just on the corner bit, and no doubt it will spread through the rest of the light, but this one's pretty good. Now for the reoccurring problem, and that is this little thing's sort of come out, sticking out again. This has been fixed 3 times now, so when the next service is due in 5,000 Ks, it will be no doubt looked at again. But the other side's fine, so I don't know what's so bad about over there. Now the third problem happens when I drive on uneven roads or bumpy roads or over speed bumps, just stuff like that. And to show you that, I've put this camera here, which this is the Sony Action Cam. It's got a pretty good microphone, so it'll pick it up. I suspect it's coming from that wheel. It's making like a little click sound. I don't know how to describe it. It's like something's loose in there and it just moves a little bit each time there's strain put on the wheel. That's about the best way I can describe it. You'll hear the sound, so yeah, let me know what you think or whatever. Found a few bad roads. It's in a sort of industrial area. That's kind of roads, so we'll definitely get some noise. That camera's running, and I'll let you hear the noise. That little is the noise that's been driving me insane slightly. But the music does cover it up, but it probably shouldn't be there. It's definitely something in that corner. I think I've literally checked everything, like rearranged this hundreds of times, the nets, the screwdrivers, but like I don't know how any of this could make that noise. I have a few things under here, but none of this seems to cause the noise. Actually, while you're watching, this is a Mercedes basket. That's visible. This thing's $25, but it is one of the most fascinating things I've ever had, and it folds out. It's a bit difficult one-handed, but yeah. These two sides lock into place and you have a basket, and because it's got this grooved bottom, once there's weight it actually holds it in place so it doesn't move. So if you're after one of these, go to your Mercedes dealership and ask for a folding basket. It was $25 last year, I think it was, that my dad bought it for me. But yeah, it's pretty cool. So there you have it. That's about everything. Overall, I'm not too concerned about that little noise. I've taken the wheel off a few weeks ago. Had a I don't know, visual look, I suppose. Nothing's loose. I doubt the wheel's going to fall off. It's just more annoying than anything. Maybe it's got something to do with wheel alignment or something. I just can't be bothered taking it before the next service, so that can wait. And I'm supposed to be getting NBN, unrelated to the car, but exciting. So yeah, that's about everything I wanted to say. Thanks for watching.